uzwa ne emuntu umuntu bekanenzani
hayi suka manje man hayi suka wena man hayi wena manje man
hayi lo moya ushaka mnandi yo Mjovo ngitho ngahlali kanje awusuyitsotsi wena manje
hayi ngilapha
ngitho ngahlali kanje ngihlala green
yazi ankeli nibhizi ngiyacabanga la ngicabanga ukulobola ankeli ngicabanga ukuthatha umfazi
yabo soqala uhlala qala ugula wena soyawompa wena
ankeli awungithemba ukuthi umfazi ngingamthatha yini
uyisigebengu kanje wena
sigebengu mina ankeli
njalo mina mfethu mangihamba la eOrlando thwananga mana kaMjovo mina ngisola inkinga zakho ngapha sofuna
hey yo nigga, do you remember me? Hey girl, do you remember? Oh, you don't remember me, but he took my phone now. I think maybe you know, maybe he come with the Samsung. I don't know Samsung one, but he came with a phone, so he took my phone. You understand? He's a thief, yo. He's a thief, man. You see this thing? I can put it.
Whoa.
I want my phone. What are you saying? Both of you, what are you saying? I want my phone. He must give me my phone. He must give me my phone. Nah, man, I don't want to get angry. I want my phone. I want my phone. No, he's running away, man. I get it right. I think you must go get my phone before I get angry. What are you saying to me? I said, I want my phone, nigga. My phone, get my phone. I want my damn fucking phone. Go take my phone. Right now, man.
Sazi ke umthini kuyaphetha umjovo usiyabona bambiza ngomjovo ngoba vele yajova
thini lentwana seyingumjovo lentwana ngoku
mina ngisazi ngenze njani ngalento
hayibo lentwana le kanti nidlala lapha
asisifihle khona la
thini hey tshintshile lentwana lena seyingumjovo ngoku lentwana ngoku into yenza
bambiza ngomjovo
thini
ikho ngikubizile into ayayizwa ntwana le
hey ndiyathemba noma ndizela ngabuphansi hayi ndifuna uyibona lentwana
hayi la
ngifuna uyibona awusathuli nomnqwazi ka uthetha nami ngoku thini yayibona lento yenu ehlala lapha egoli hey ngathi nizandixaka uphela umjovo makezapha umjovo ndifuna uthetha naye ndifuna umjovo
makazahamba xa ngihamba la apha eOrlando bangixelela ngayo umjovo
thini umjovo
umjovo
ngoku
ngisazi nami ngoku
ujova ntoni yena lo mjovo
siyabonga na John
thini kwethini
yabona ngizomoshaka kuhle zoshaya ingulo